Sanders Bateman, and I am here commentating Pro Wrestling Venom. This is right now, this is nuts right now. He's stopping a mud hole in him. Casper is getting a mud hole stopped in him right now as we speak. I don't know, man. They could call it. They could call this match. Oh my God, Casper is just doing. Keep going. Keep going. Choke him out. Oh, double team. The double team by the TFCrew. Corner, they do not want him getting into that corner. They do not want him out of there. Oh, jeez. Casper has not been able to get any sort of offense on right now. Oh, hey. Oh, that day, triple threat. Triple threat rules. Triple threat rules right here. No one is friendly. There's no life. I wouldn't want to play with anyone in Philadelphia, nor Connecticut. Fighting back, he is giving it his all. Those holding it, that ref better check. I think those were close fists. That ref better check. Oh, jeez. Casper's taking it back. He's coming in hot. Oh, never mind. You guys just got that cut off. Big running knee. Go to the outside. This is triple threat rules. No rules. They can do what they want. This is deathmatch wrestling, right? Jeez. Oh, that's a deep hold. That's a deep hold. That arm bar. That arm bar. He has that in tight. He has it in deep. Oh, he wants it all. He wants to break that arm in half. He wants to send him right to the hospital after this. Going for the other arm. He's working that arm tight. Oh, he turned into a crippled cross space. No, it is not a crippled cross space. Oh, what is this? Teamwork. Oh, together. Has a modified Boston Crab right now. Oh, he should be tapping. The TFCrew is working together for the time being. Casper still has that in. Oh. Deep. Wait for that choke. What's he going for? What's he going for? Modified crab. Oh, he's looking for a walls of Jericho here. Casper has it in deep. Two people can't win this. I get what he's doing. Two people can't win this. He's taking in control with these submissions. What is this? Jeez. He has this in deep. That ref needs to get in there, and this ref needs to see what is going on with his face right now. Oh, jeez, that kick to the lower back. In pain. He's up right now. Jeez, that spike. That might be a broken neck on Casper. Casper sucked. It's really cold here in Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a shithole anyway. No heat, nothing. This ref knows how to count. Oh, jeez, they're coming up to the outside. Here we go. Oh, jeez. Right there, hard cut off at that point. What's he going for? Snap suplex, maybe. Jeez. That was not. Oh, hey, he's giving tribute to Eddie Guerrero. In there we go. Break of the ice. That's legal though. Casper knows what he's doing here. That's legal. Oh, duck. Casper ducked. Right to the knee, right to the gut. There he goes, snap suplex. That suplex, deep one. Pain and homage to Eddie Guerrero. He's going for second out of the. Jeez, that neck breaker. Can't turn it back. when you have more than one person in there. Neck breaker. He's putting the temperature up in this room. Let's see if he has him by that ear. Jeez. Those pump kicks right to the head. That is dangerous. Big one. Oh, big plant kick right to the temple. He might be out cold. Stops the pin. Stops the pin at 2. That's him in the corner again. He has him in there. Giving those, oh, you better check. Those might be some potatoes right there. Those stops in the corner. This is tense right now, everyone. What's he going for? Going for nurse suplex. Oh, that was a brain buster. That was a brain buster. Holy shit! Oh, he broke up the pin. Jesus Christ! That ref better wants to get involved. Larry Legend.
I like what I see. Is this thing on?
Yeah, it's on.
I'm not gonna press anything. Yeah, I like what I see out of the action from the TFCrew. Hey, he really gave him the business.
He almost broke his neck. That ain't right. He almost broke his neck on that brain buster. There's a fan requesting to take his shoes. I guess they want to have theft during this match. They make sense.
Anything goes. In Pro Wrestling Venom, take his shoes, take his pants, take his ass.
And hot with the big splash in the corner. Master is on fire right now.
He's a big guy. He's the tallest one of them.
Oh my God.
That means he gets extra height when executing moves like that.
He's showing he has the height there. More shorter blocks in the corner from Caster. I'm impressed with the TFCrew. They're showing a big outing.
Well, they didn't come all the way from Connecticut to lose.
That's a deep drive to this dump. They should have just stayed up in Connecticut. Why come to Philly?
I mean, this has got to be a milestone in a lot of their young careers.
I get that, but Philly of all places, come on now. That's a drop kick off the second rope, going for the pin.
Oh, I see a drone flying around the 666 Firehouse. Oh, God!
That is a distraction to these wrestlers. It's in the ring. It's
cutting edge.
It's a distraction.
It's cutting edge. It's a look that most have never experienced while watching pro wrestling, and why not experience it right here in Pro Wrestling?
Just use the drone as a weapon. That's your camera shot right there.
Wait, is he going for Fisherman? God damn it, Michinoku drive.
Oh, how did he kick out of that?
You know, this is one of those contests where you're going to see a lot of kickouts because no one wants to lose.
Go for a sleeper. Caster's going for a sleeper right now.
And it's an elementary hold, a time-tested maneuver. You cut off the flow of blood to the carotid artery. Oh, God.
5-minute warning. 5-minute warning.
That's a great call right there. 5 more minutes for these competitors to get it done.
Is he going for modified Hell's Gates right now? Laying those elbows in.
Christopher Black, he wants to kill Caster. He wants to kill him.
Oh, for a sneak. That's for a sneak. Trying to do it there.
Wait a minute.
They're up. Oh, Black. Hey, that's a risk you got to take.
Nobody hold.
Caster, oh, jeez.
Big time splash, just curling his whole body.
For Roll of Thunder. Oh, Cutter, oh my God.
Popped up and got an amazing amount of height, but wait a minute, Doc's waiting in the wings.
Jeez. Took his knee out there. Oh, that step up Cutter, insane.
So many cutters happening in this contest. Might as well call it an invitational cutter bout.
Oh, laid that right in.
And I ain't talking Neil Diamond.
Oh, what's he aiming for? Double splash. Oh my God, that hula hoop kick. Knocked the camera down and everything. Oh, jeez. He just ate that buckle.
I mean, Caster manhandled Doc. When you got as much leverage and height over a smaller competitor, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that.
What's Caster going for? What's he taking?
He's going to put him away.
Has him in the fireman's carry. What's he going for? Oh my God. That modified Falcon Arrow. That's it. Casper.
Here is your winner, Caster!
Make sure he gets the mic.
See what he has to say.
Oh, wait, yeah, hey, wait, Caster. Where's he going?
All right, Caster. I just grab a word with you before you depart. First of all, give it up for your winner one more time. TFCrew Invitational. For the people that are just being introduced to you, what does it mean to be here tonight at Pro Wrestling Venom and to be a winner?
Well, I would say it means a lot. Once I woke up and realized I'm coming to Philadelphia, I just won my day.
Philadelphia.
See, I'm from here. This is my first game.
I actually like this guy. I like Caster. I like this
This is
guy.
my first rodeo. I've wrestled in Philly before, wrestled in Jersey, wrestled in Mass, wrestled in the best state in the world, which is Connecticut.
Oh, not really endearing himself to the Philly faithful, but nonetheless, your winner of that opening invitational, Caster.
From chopped lines unknown, he emerged with Tony Montoya and George Young, smuggled 20 kilos from Pablo Escobar. He is the 8-ball machine. Hell, fire, and blow. That's gotta be cocaine.
My shoulder and the bits are right behind me. The naked body riding shotgun with no head. They on my ass with flesh marks, they trying to blind me. Not knowing I'm packing a side of shotgun full of lead. You golden bitch, my fuckers came across a gold mine. But I make the bullet for the people wanna rest. But first I'm running, I put this motherfucking gun up. Better have this vest cause I'm a blessed in the chest. Yeah, I got what looks Machine parts are flying in all the directions, leaving no time for me to reload. Pigs, out to find me, pigs. Right behind me, pigs. Don't remind me, pigs are on my ass. Yo, drugs, and a body slugs, and a shiny in my truck. I'm drunk as fuck, and the pigs are on my ass. Pigs, out to find me, pigs. Right behind me, pigs. Don't remind me, pigs are on my ass. Yo, drugs, and a body slugs, and a shiny in my truck. I'm drunk as fuck, and the pigs are on my ass.
Just a slime hat on my tail. Here, piggy, piggy, your fucking fate is waiting.
This match is going to be nuts. Jimmy Controversy, the greatest wrestler in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This match better not end early because this will be a disappointing thing for Jimmy Controversy. Oh, they're taking it out. The Riot Act is taking it outside. Oh my, they already have light tubes and chains. The Riot Act is not fucking around right now. They're challenging. Chairs and glass bundles of light tubes. Oh my God! Oh, sound boot Angel Metro. Violence and consequences. Do it anyway. Fuck her up. Holy Jesus. God, holy shit. Holy called violence and consequences for no reason. And Jimmy Controversy is taking it to Riley Krowe. Oh, fuck. Angel Metro laying it in. This is real glass. This is not anything fake. You can't fake this shit here. Oh my God, Angel Metro is stabbing him in the fucking forehead. Jesus Christ.
And good! I love the violence!
No.
I love the blood!
This is the best tag team in Pennsylvania right here.
And if you thought for 1 second...
That's not the Riot Act.
Well, if you thought for 1 second the Riot Act was going to be a walk in the motherfucking park, don't you forget where we are!
Fuck!
And Angel Metro knows how to swing a fucking tube.
Is that a gasket?
I don't know what it is.
It's a fucking gasket.
But just like that, she's in the...
She introduced it. She introduced it. Oh, fuck!
Oh, no!
Those gaskets are no fucking joke. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Jesus fucking Christ. Jesus, that bundle of light tubes over Jimmy Controversy's head. They're taking it over there. They're going in right now. Riley Krowe is taking the Jimmy Controversy. Angel Metro, this is so much is going on right now. Holy shit. What does he have? Is that a knife? Oh, fuck. Violence and consequences. Holy Jesus. My God. They're running through these light tubes. What is he aiming for? Fuck! Damn! Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh fuck! Oh, what is going on? Was that Angel Metro just laying? Oh, this is a right ref. You need to stop that, Ref Julian. You need to stop that right now. This is not right. God damn, Ref Julian, you gotta stop this match. This isn't right. This is not right.
What the hell is this?
Ref Julian needs to stop this match.
Sergeant Jimmy Controversy.
That's my guy. That's my sergeant.
He's in there with the cake boss.
The strangest bird is getting her wings clipped.
Oh my God!
Fucking damn it! Holy shit!
What the fuck was that?
What was that? Holy shit!
Motherfucking shots fired right here at Pro Wrestling Venom.
I didn't know it was the 4th of July in February. We got fireworks going here. Taking over and knocking her out. Holy shit, Jimmy Controversy he's taking it in right now. Looking like a stuffed pig right now. Jimmy Controversy, that's my favorite wrestler. He's your favorite wrestler.
And right now, the long arm of the law is putting the boots to Angel Metro.
Shit. What's Metro aiming for? Riley Krowe's taking it to Jesse right now. Laying the boots in on Metro right now.
They're not giving her any They're being relentless, and now they're getting a fucking pane of glass.
What is this?
Give me that chair! What the fuck are you looking at?
Holy fuck. What are they planning right now? What is happening? I like this though. I like this though. Violence and consequences are up right now. Get that pane of glass and do what you need to do, my boys. Jimmy fucking Controversy. Shit. Just put this right. This is Jimmy, turn around, Jimmy. Jimmy, turn around.
It's gonna be too late.
No, Jimmy, turn around. Jimmy. Jimmy.
Stop trying to coach.
Jimmy, no. What? Jimmy, no. Jimmy, no. Jimmy, no. This is no. She bit his dick. God damn. Oh my God.
And look at that cover. Here are your
Holy shit. Someone check out Jimmy Controversy.
the motherfucking cake boss, and Angel Metro, the Rioter.
Holy shit. That was fucking crazy.
And it was appropriate right here for Hell House 666 Firehouse.
There's 666 in it. There's devils here and satanic rituals. Jimmy fucking Controversy got fucked up. We need someone to check on him right now. We need a medic. We need EMS here to check on him.
I've been here. I've been here for the clout-chasing YouTubers. I've been here for the shared space studio tapings. I've been here for the split show brand showcases. I've been here bleeding on the sidewalks of Jersey City, risking my life in the slums of Philadelphia. I've been here throwing hands in wrestling rings, in boxing rings where there's no ring. There have been many men that have called themselves the champion of Pro Wrestling Venom, but there has only ever been one team captain, and the team captain becomes your Pro Wrestling Venom champion. Atticus Reigns, I hold no enmity in my heart for you. I hold no ill will or disregard, but I do see you as what you are to me. The final obstacle in the way of the inevitable. Like the mighty Ganesh, I too am a remover of obstacles. Make no mistake about it, Atticus. Just because I don't hate you doesn't mean I won't destroy you. That at the end of Concord, the Mastodon will become the Pro Wrestling Venom champion. Because I'm coming down the mountain. You're gonna get